Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Ocean and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Suunto application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Suunto application rather, and your iPhone to send the notification to your watch. So we need to open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, we need to find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see the Suunto Ocean watch on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it. Now make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. If you don't see this option, because it is possible you won't see this option, close the settings for now. Open the Suunto application on your iPhone. In the app, tap on the device icon in the top left corner. Come on. Okay. Wait until the watch is done connecting with your iPhone. Okay, once it is connected, it's still syncing, so let's wait. Okay, once this is connected finally, we can scroll down and find the option called Notifications on Watch. Tap on it, and here by default the notifications probably will be turned on. So turn them off and turn them back on. And after a couple of seconds, you should see some pop-ups about the notification permission. Once you see them, allow the notification permissions, and then you can close the app, go back to the settings. Here, tap on Bluetooth, tap on info icon next to Ocean, Suunto Ocean rather, and you should see this option now, and make sure it is enabled. Once it is, go back to the main page of settings, scroll down, find the Suunto application on the list. Once you find it, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is, close the settings, open the Suunto application, tap on the device icon, wait until it's done connecting. Okay, is it done? No, it's not done yet. For some reason this watch on the iPhone, it's taking quite a lot of time to connect. Okay, once this is connected, scroll down, find the notifications on watch, tap on it, and here we can enable and disable notifications as the whole thing by tapping on the switch right here. And then you can also enable and disable specific types of notifications like app notifications, call notifications, and messages. And once you enable what you like, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our iPhone and also on our watch. And if you miss the notifications on your watch, you can wake up the screen on it, press the lower button to open the widgets, then find the notification widget, tap on it, and here we have the notifications. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.